Hello everyone, today we'll be making Malai Tikka. Now all the ingredients with their quantities are in the description box below. Let's start our today's recipe with 300 grams of chicken. This is boneless chicken which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. Next we need a paste of ginger, garlic and green chilli which we later use for marinating our chicken. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. 2 cubes of cheese which we grate later, half a cup of yogurt and 10 to 15 cashews which I have soaked in hot water. Now first step is to make a paste out of our cashews. Next we are going to marinate our chicken with our ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Give this a good mix. Now keep this aside. Next we are going to grate our cheese. Okay, so now let's make our paste for a Malai Tikka. In a bowl, add in your cashew nut paste. Now to this add in your yogurt. Sugar. White pepper powder. Cheese. So we are making Malai Tikka and obviously we are going to need cream or malai for it. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of cream for this. So let's first mix these ingredients together. Now let's add in our fresh cream and give this a good mix. So that is 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix this together. Now it's time to add our chicken. Now after adding your chicken, just mix it together and make sure each chicken is well coated with our paste. Once this is done, cover it with some tin foil and marinate for about at least 1 hour. Now by the title you know we are making a Malai Tikka in an air fryer. So the first step is to grease your pan well with some butter. Next add in your tikkas. Now it's time to cook our tikkas. So I'm gonna cook it at 180 degree for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and you can see my tikkas are all ready. Look at the golden color on top. And now I'm just gonna lightly brush it or grease it with some butter before serving it. And there you have it, our Malai Tikkas are all ready. Serve it with some mint chutney. Now I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my second channel which is Nook and Cook Marathi Recipes. The link is above. If you have any queries or any recipes that you want me to try it out, put it in the comment section below. Again, the ingredients and the quantities are in the description box below. Thank you for watching.